Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dennis the National. So today I just want to show you around Central Park. So I'm going to show you this Central Park before reconstruction, and I'm also going to show you the new Central Park after NMS reconstruction. So Central Park has always been beautiful, green, well kept, and this is mostly attributed to NMS. If I would have shown you a clip before NMS did some touches on this place, it was so bad looking. Otherwise, this was after NMS did some touches here and there, cleaned it, cut the grass short and stuff. You see, it looks good. But then again, they have also done another reconstruction, which I'm going to show you in this video. But remember, these are just clips provided by NMS. The whole place has not been opened from UHURU Park to Central Park. So it's being opened today at night, and once it's opened, I will show you full coverage and full video of the new UHURU Park and the new Central Park. So if you want to see this, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. And also after this video, please guys, just let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this new look of UHURU Park and Central Park? What has changed? What looks better? What should have remained the same? Let me know. Otherwise, like I said, new clip is coming after the place is opened. So thank you. Watch till the end. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.